Hello, everyone. Today, we are covering a crucial upcoming update to Google Ads target-based bidding strategies, starting on August 17th, 2026. If you use target-based bidding strategy like cost per acquisition, CPA, or return on ad spend, ROAS targets, you will need to pay attention. We have a lot of questions from clients asking why their campaigns are always showing limited by budget. Google has recently announced an update to its bidding system. Currently, when a campaign is limited by budget and uses a target-based bidding strategy, such as Target CPA or Target ROAS, performance can fluctuate when the budget is adjusted, as the campaign may overreact to the bidding targets. From 17th August 2026, Google will introduce changes to its bidding system to provide more consistent and predictable performance. This means campaigns should better maintain their target CPA or ROAS, even when budget changes are made, resulting in more stable campaign performance. To help with this, Google is launching the new target adjustment tool in Google Ads user interface on July 13th. We would highly suggest that your team actively use this tool to manually review and apply recommended targets with a single click, as Google will not automatically adjust targets on the backend to safeguard overperforming campaigns anymore. If you are our clients, our team will monitor the target bidding manually for you on a regular basis. You might have questions. I have already set up the auto-applied recommendations in Google Ads. Will Google still automatically adjust the target CPA or ROAS for you automatically? Your existing auto-applied settings will remain valid and active. However, please note that standard auto-applied configurations will not proactively adjust your campaign's targets or budget to prepare for the specific rollout. Once the rollout is live post-August 17th, active auto-apply settings will continue to run as normal, but they will calculate and apply target recommendations based on the new stable bidding system rather than legacy backend constraints. This means your post-rollout auto-applied target changes will be significantly more predictable and will no longer trigger unexpected performance fluctuations. So, what should you do now? Here are our immediate next steps. If you are a Web Wonks client, I have already asked our dedicated Google agency lead based in Sydney to review all of our clients' ads account. They will send me an impact list detailing clients' names with those specific campaigns that are currently overperforming or underperforming their targets and require bid adjustments. Since this week, which is from the 13th July, our team has already started using the target adjustment tool to access and review our clients' campaigns to align those flagged campaigns with their actual and real-world performance. I have scheduled another session with our agency lead to catch up in 3 weeks' time to review the impact list together, check on implementation progress, and address any further concerns and questions and issues. I will continue to keep you updated on the latest changes and explain how they may impact your campaign performance. Thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for my next video with more updates. Bye-bye.